to get rid of cellulite removal, cellulite poster treatment. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 3 of prunes, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, Now, put all the ingredients in a mixer jar, then blend it very well. Now the time to eat it. Eat it before lunch. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us. And we are waiting for your feedback and comments.